using Kurzweil is an effective study tool. The first thing you're going to want to do is click on the Kurzweil 3000 icon on your desktop, and this will activate the welcome screen. When the welcome screen comes up, you're going to want to make sure that you are in Kurzweil 3000 Learn Station 11.0. Type in your username and your password. This will bring up the default screen. Tip of the day, you can X out of that after you read it. And if you look in the upper left-hand corner, you'll see a red, yellow, green, and blue brick. The Study Skills toolbar is activated by clicking on the green brick. It's grayed out right now, and that's because we have not opened a document. So we need to go up to the main menu and click on Open, and this will bring us to the document that we would like open. Once you have a document open in Kurzweil, you'll see the Study Skills toolbar. On the far left is the eraser, and that erases any highlighting that you no longer want. Next to that are your yellow, green, blue, and pink highlighters, your footnote icon, sticky note, text note, and you can also add a voice note to your document, but you must have a microphone. You can bookmark your page, and you can also add column notes, which I'm going to show you in a minute. That is the basic Study Skills toolbar. Now we're going to begin reading. Go to the page we want to start our reading. You'll see the red flashing bar. That means Kurzweil is ready to read, so I'm going to go up to the main menu and I'm going to select Read to activate the reading. Kurzweil will highlight as it reads. Now if I'm going to use Kurzweil as a study tool, I'm going to probably use the highlighter and some other things, so I'll show you how easy it is to highlight your text. You simply put your cursor where you'd like it to begin, go up and select the highlighting color. In this case we'll use pink, and I just go over with my cursor the text I would like highlighted. It's that easy. If I no longer wanted that, I could erase it using the eraser. I'm going to go back to my reading, and now I would like to place a footnote on the page. So I go up to the Study Skills toolbar and I select the footnote icon, and you'll see a number come up next to my cursor. That's where I would like the footnote to be. You'll also notice that the screen has been split, and down below you'll see the cursor flashing, left-hand corner, and this is where you would put your footnote. Once you're done with that, in the far right corner you can simply X out. And now I want to go back to my reading, so I'm going to select Read again, and now I'm going to add a sticky note. I go up to the sticky note icon and I place my cursor where I want it, and I begin typing my sticky note. The nice thing about sticky notes is you can move it around anywhere you want, and you can also change the size of your sticky note. If I no longer want it, you'll see in the toolbar the Delete button. You can always delete it. Now I'm going to add a text note. Text note is very similar to the sticky note. I just click on it and begin typing my note. And again, you can move this wherever you want it on your page. Now I'm going to go back to reading. And the last part of this is to add a bookmark, and there's the book right there. If I want to add column notes, I want to keep track of main ideas or supporting ideas, I'm going to click on column notes, and if you look down at the bottom of the screen, you'll see that it is now separated by 3 columns: main ideas, supporting ideas, and other. And here you can type in your notes, and Kurzweil will save this information for you. If you X out, it's going to prompt you to save the file, and you can give it a name and save it for future reference. Once you've highlighted your text and added any text notes or bookmarks, possibly even voice notes, you want to save this information. So you want to go up to File, Save As, and you want to name your document. and it will automatically go to the proper format, Kisi format, and you just hit the Save button. And that's how you use Kurzweil 3000 Study Skills Toolbar.